For other star systems with this biodesignation, see Nu Lupi. Nu2 Lupi. Nu2 Lupi is a 6th magnitude G-type main sequence star located approximately 48 light-years away in the constellation of Lupus. The physical properties of the star are similar to those of the Sun, though Nu2 Lupi is significantly older. Properties. Nu2 Lupi is a bright star, barely observable with the naked eye in good observing conditions, that lies towards the bottom Lupus near to the border with Norma and close to the galactic plane, at over 1.6 arc-seconds per year. Nu2 Lupi has a particularly large proper motion. This indicates that the star is nearby, which was confirmed by Earth-based parallax measurements during the last century, such as that of the Gliese catalogue of nearby stars, measuring 63.1 plus or minus 7.8 milliarc-seconds. The much more accurate space-based Hipparcos parallax of 67.51 plus or minus 0.39 milliarc-seconds gives a distance of 48.3 plus or minus 0.3 light-years, making Nu2 Lupi one of the closest G-type main sequence stars to the Sun. Somewhat surprisingly, Nu2 Lupi also has a large radial velocity of 68.7 kilometers per second. When combined with its large proper motion, it becomes apparent that the star is moving much faster through the galaxy than the Sun. This indicates that the star is a member of an older, higher motion stellar population, which is confirmed by the star's position on the Tumor diagram with Nu2 Lupi showing kinematics of a thick disk star. This means that Nu2 Lupi must be considerably older than the Sun, which is supported by its spectroscopic parameters. The depth of the star's ion spectral lines implies an ion abundance of minus 0.34 plus or minus 0.01 dex, equaling 46 plus or minus 1% of the solar ion abundance, a typical value for a thick disk star. Similarly, the star's surface gravity of log 4.39 plus or minus 0.02 g is somewhat lower than is typical for a main sequence G-type star and indicates modest evolution, which when combined with a spectroscopically derived mass of 0.91 plus or minus 0.03 m implies an age of 10.36 plus or minus 2.30 billion years, over twice the solar age. Nu2 Lupi is therefore probably one of the oldest stars in the solar neighborhood. Planetary system. On September 12, 2011, 3 low-mass planets were announced using data from the HARPS spectrograph. These 3 planets are among about 7 dozen planets discovered in September 2011, the most of any month during the exoplanet era that began in early 1990s, with a minimum mass of about 5 Earth masses. The innermost planet falls into the regime of super-Earths. The 2 outer planets straddle the commonly accepted upper limit between super-Earths and Neptunes at 10 m, so they could be either predominantly rocky or gaseous. All 3 planets orbit within 0.5 astronomical units and are likely too hot to maintain liquid water. The most recent published observation of this system for debris disks was in 2006 by the Spitzer telescope, searching for an excess of infrared light that would indicate scattering of starlight by dust or planetesimals. No infrared excess was detected. See also, list of extrasolar planets detected by radial velocity. 82G. Eridani. Mu Array. Nu2 Lupi. Sol Station. Retrieved 10 May 2013. Nu2 Lupi. HIP 75181. Quote. Ashland Astronomy Studio. Retrieved 10 May 2013.